Hey guys, my name is Asia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to DIY a one shoulder crop top. So if you want to see how to do that, then just keep on watching. So to make this one shoulder crop top, I started out by taking this satin fabric and folded it in half. Then using this shirt as like a template, I traced that and I left about a ½ inch of seam allowance on both sides. After that, I took a straight edge, which happened to be my sketch pad, and I traced from the top of the shoulder to the bottom of the armpit. And then I just cut out the pattern that I drew. Then taking those two pieces of fabric, I flipped them over so that the right sides were touching, and then I pinned down the right and the left sides and then sewed them into place. I also went ahead and sewed down the shoulder part of the shirt. So next I hemmed the strapless side of the shirt by folding the fabric in and pinning it down and sewing it into place. I also hemmed the bottom of my shirt, and I recommend that you double fold it when you're hemming just because satin frays really easily, so double folding will help your shirt to last longer. And lastly, I hemmed the shoulder part of my shirt, or the sleeve part of my shirt, and again I just double folded it to prevent fraying. This is the final result, and I love how this turned out. I love satin. I just think it looks so luxurious. So if you like this video, make sure to thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you guys in my next video.